Welcome back to the Car Reviews, the channel where luxury, power, and exclusivity collide. If you love high-end automotive design and want to be the first to experience the future of elite vehicles, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today, we're taking a look at something extremely rare, ultra-luxurious, and almost untouchable. This is the 2026 G-Wagon HOF, one of one, tailored G-Class, a bespoke creation that redefines what a personalized SUV can be. Let's not pretend. The Mercedes-Benz G-Class has never been subtle. It's bold, it's boxy, and it's always had presence. But this takes everything the G-Wagon stands for and amplifies it into a one-of-a-kind, hand-built automotive masterpiece. This isn't just a special edition, it's a curated piece of rolling luxury art, the kind of vehicle you don't buy off the lot. You commission it, like a suit tailored from rare Italian fabric, or a yacht designed for your name only. The 2026 G-Wagon HOF, one of one, short for Hall of Fame one of one, is designed through the G Manufacture program, where customers are given access to exclusive finishes, colors, and craftsmanship that even the regular AMG G63 can't offer. From the outside, the first thing you notice is the paint. This isn't just black. This is obsidian black with a mirror gloss ceramic finish, infused with a subtle gold metallic layer that catches the light differently depending on the time of day. The trim has been blacked out, no chrome in sight, replaced by satin gunmetal accents around the grille, mirror caps, and bumpers. The Panamericana grille is sharper, more sculpted, and the G-Wagon's signature round LED headlamps are now framed by a hand-polished aluminum bezel. The custom-designed monoblock wheels are 23 inches in matte black, wrapped in performance tires, and stamped with the golden G logo in the center caps, something you won't find on any production G-Class. The side steps have been redesigned for a floating look, and even the running boards are bespoke, featuring laser-etched, one-of-one-inch illumination when the doors open. Speaking of the doors, every handle, hinge, and latch has been brushed, darkened, and personalized. At the rear, the spare tire case is trimmed in carbon fiber with 24-karat gold detailing around the edges. A bold HOF badge sits just below the wiper, discreet, yet impossible to ignore. The rear diffuser has been redesigned for both style and improved aerodynamics. Not that it really matters when you're cruising a luxury beast. But wait until you open the door. Inside, it's not just luxurious, it's tailored perfection. The entire cabin is wrapped in hand-selected Napa leather, dyed in a deep royal blue with gold accent stitching. Every panel, every seam, every surface has been touched by a craftsman's hand. The dashboard features a custom diamond-quilted pattern with real gold thread. The steering wheel is wrapped in Alcantara with leather grips and has a 12 o'clock gold marker, subtle but commanding. The 64-color ambient lighting system has been programmed with an exclusive HOF gold glow setting, bathing the cabin in a rich, warm aura. The air vents are anodized in champagne gold. Even the Burmeister speaker grills have been laser-cut with a one-off G motif and plated in satin platinum. On the passenger dash, you'll see an engraved plaque that reads "Tailored for Greatness to one of one." Rear passengers aren't forgotten. The captain-style seats are reclinable, ventilated, and feature a built-in massage program inspired by first-class airline suites. Between them sits a center console trimmed in polished walnut wood, housing an integrated champagne cooler, personalized glassware with monogrammed initials, and a touchscreen controller for every function, from climate to mood lighting to media. Of course, no modern luxury vehicle is complete without top-tier tech. The 2026 G-Wagon HOF, one of one, features the updated MBUX system with dual 12.3-inch displays, gesture control, natural language, voice activation, and full 5G connectivity. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. But what's not standard is the fully customized interface, which has bespoke startup animation, HOF-themed menus, and even a custom driving mode, Prestige. This mode softens the throttle, recalibrates the suspension for smoothness, and lets the V8 engine hum rather than roar. Speaking of power, yes, this beauty performs. Under the hood is a handcrafted 4.0-liter, twin-turbocharged AMG V8, producing 585 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. It can go from 0 to 60 in just 4.4 seconds, which is borderline ridiculous for a vehicle this size and weight. But again, the HOF G-Wagon isn't about breaking speed records. It's about presence. It's about making an entrance so iconic, people stop what they're doing when they hear it coming. Despite its power, the ride is buttery smooth, thanks to AMG ride control, adaptive suspension, air dampers, and next-generation electronic anti-roll tech. The cabin stays whisper quiet. Unless you open up the active exhaust valves, then it sings with authority. So how much does all this cost? The base price of a 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63 starts around $180,000. But the HOF one-of-one tailored G-Class, this is well into $500,000 territory, and no, it's not mass-produced. This exact configuration will never be built again. Even within the Elite G Manufacture program, this level of personalization, detail, and exclusivity is rare. The person who owns this vehicle isn't just buying an SUV, they're owning a legacy piece. The 2026 G-Wagon HOF, one of one, is for those who demand everything performance, power, comfort, and individuality. It's for someone who doesn't just drive luxury, but lives it. Someone whose car isn't just a vehicle, it's a personal expression of identity. So, what do you think? Is this the most elite G-Wagon you've ever seen? Would you choose something this bold, or stick with a more traditional AMG setup? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this review of one of the most exclusive SUVs on Earth, give this video a like and make sure to subscribe to the Car Reviews. We've got more one-off creations, ultra-luxury unveilings, and high-performance machines coming your way. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a drop. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.